Okay, hey, good morning, everyone. This is Demetrius again with Akeelah Traders, and so I'm just doing a short video here of our trading system. Running live here. We are trading gold. We're on one of our advanced strategies again. We've had a couple of different videos showing this, where we are running our scalping strategy on gold, and some kind of way I did not mean to do that. Put this back here. Let me just move this over here somewhere out of the way so it's not covering up. Excuse me, not covering up what we're looking at. So we are trading gold here on actually the 1 minute chart. And so for these purposes, I'm just going to blow up this individual chart so we get a little bit better feel of what we're looking at. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. And so we're trading here. We've been in and out of gold several times. We actually missed the huge drop. I mean, a huge drop on gold this morning with news. But we were not in that trade at the time. This was a big drop up here. Gold dropped from around 2031 down to 2018 or so, something like that. Our system, we were in some trades earlier. We got out of a buy just before the news and let that drop, and then we picked up some sales. And so since that time, we've been in gold sales, and the system's been doing very well again today. I'm going to zoom in to let you see kind of where we are currently. Right now, we're in still a couple of sales. We moved stop losses to break even on the majority of those because gold has dropped so much today that it's pretty likely to, start to reverse and maybe see some either very strong pullbacks or just trends in the other direction. And so we've kind of tightened up the risk that we had on there, as well as moving the stop losses. But I'll review the trades that we've taken here in just a second. But I'm going to see how we started this account. You can see what the account balance is. We started this account here. This is one of our efforts to grow, again, a small account, or we're just showing how our system can operate and help you with a small account. So we started this account with just $500 in there. And you can see through just the trades today so far, even though, again, we missed some of the biggest drops with the news. She's traded this system today. Let me make sure these are all today, because yes, okay, just today. So these are trades just from the 13th. And so we've made a total closeout profit of $236. And so that's on a $500 account. So that's 50+% that we've made today, scalping gold on the 1 minute time frame using our advanced strategy on here, and using decent risk, because this is a small account. We're risking somewhere in the neighborhood of 8 to 10%, per trade. And so that's something that you have to kind of do with, very small accounts. You got to be a little more aggressive with this particular strategy. So this is not a compounding strategy. This is a get in, hit them in the head, get my money, and get out kind of strategy. And so with that being said, as we have progressed during the day, I've gone in once we hit some very good profit targets here. The system is going to continue to trade up until 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. So probably another, I just have to glance on my clock to see what time it is. Probably another hour or something like that. But we're manually going in and adjusting the risk. Once you've had a huge day like this, I would either have, there's settings in here to either have the system reach your daily limit. You can put what your total daily profit goal is. And so if your daily profit goal, you can set that at 10%, 20%, 40%, whatever it is. I did not set a daily profit goal in here, or I had it set at like 100% or something like that. And so the system is just going to continue trading. But if I want to protect those profits and have it stop, I can just say, hey, you know what? We had a great day. Let's just stop. trading, but I'm choosing to continue to trade. And so in that case, I just went in and just manually um, adjusted my risk down. And so I brought the risk down to where it's only risking now a fraction of what it was in normal mode. So that's something good to do as you manage that. But very good results as you look through here for our history. We see how we added up to the 230 something dollars. You can see, where do we start up here? The system did not start trading until 1200 hours. Make sure. Okay. I'm trying to see the MetaTrader times on here. So these times are off a little bit, but either way, let's just go through and see the trade history on here. I'm gonna sort this in the time the trades were closed. So you see, we started out. We had several losses, small losses, $6, $7, $15, $16, something like that. But once the volume started to kick in, once the market time got past this 1200 hours, is what I was looking at, which that's around 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. The system kicked in and started making some pretty good results. So we see some, $20 profit, $30 profits. Actually, we had a big loss right here. I'm not sure. I'll have to go back and look and see what happened with that one. But again, consistent wins up in here: $20, $30, $3, that kind of thing. So all total, a pretty good trading day. All right. So that's just a brief review of this system here, and so you get an idea of how our AI trading system can come in and do these kind of trades for you. This has been completely hands off. We have not had to touch the system, other than what I mentioned. Once I saw we're in good profits, I'm interacting with it and saying, hey, okay, we did good today. Let's kind of, cool things off. But other than that, it's hands free, designed to help us go in and take advantage of opportunities in the market. Okay. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please like our channel here on YouTube. Subscribe to it so you can see as we get these kind of updates. We'll post these for you guys. Okay. All right. Have a blessed day. Thanks.